chica.
That's my dog. What's happening? Oh my goodness. Halftime. What are your thoughts?
Overall, it's been pretty solid. Both teams have been on the attack. However, Sweden has been breaking away pretty aggressively. So it's a little dangerous for Mexico right now. I think Sweden definitely had more chances first half. Mexico had chances as well, but Sweden's were more dangerous. So yeah, but viva la México, viva la raza.
Damn. You're in fault there. You want to use my phone? Oh my God. How you feel, bro? How you feel? Switch sides real quick. That was a wild game, or shall I say 2 games. Everyone was really sad when Mexico was losing, but then South Korea came and gave us that W. So viva la Mexico, viva la raza, viva la Korea! Korea! Yeah, everyone's so hyped, but I hope you guys like this video and like and comment and subscribe to see more content from us.